Hey, in front of me is Poco M5 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Poco device. First of all, you need to find Tools folder and access it. Then click on Recorder app. Now tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up and tap on Allow in the next one. As you can see, my recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by selecting the same button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. If you wish to delete your recording right away, you can choose Delete, and now it's gone. If you wish to save it though, you need to choose Name it first over here and then choose OK. Now to access your recordings, select this button with 3 lines. Then click on Allow and tap on one of your recordings in order to play it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!